Nordhaven's largest yacht ever constructed, the Nordhaven 148, is currently on track to launch in 2 years. Now, what makes it so special, and why should Nordhaven fans and really any fan of yachts get excited? That's what we're going to find out today. Before we start, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you love it, subscribe and ring the bell for more videos just like this. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, be sure and let us know in the comments below. Nordhaven has a history of crafting vessels that are blue water travelers, capable of visiting any water in the world. Because of this, Nordhaven has a rabid fan base of adventurers, explorers, captains, and owners. The concept of the Nordhaven 148 extends that even further, enlisting the help of the Dutch design team Vreepak to design the plans for the new vessel, their largest to date. Vreepak has a long history of creating expedition vessels itself. The Nordhaven 148 is designed as a world-class, high-latitude expedition yacht with ice capability, designed to handle and cruise to the most remote and hostile waters as your itinerary dictates. The Nordhaven 148 will be Nordhaven's first all-metal yacht in their history, giving it a much stronger structural integrity than any other yacht in their lineup or history, and yet still appointed with contemporary luxury. As this is a vessel still in development, there is unfortunately no video footage as of yet. However, to show what a magnificent yacht this is going to be, I've included photos from Nordhaven's website. Jim Leishman, who is the Vice President of Pacific Asian Affairs, has said that they have thought about building a larger boat for a while now.
You're going to need a bigger boat.
Even though the Nordhaven 148 is being designed by Vreepak, they wanted to make sure that it retained the strong Nordhaven DNA and feel, but with Dutch styling. So a lot of the stylish features, while reimagined, are Nordhaven through and through. Some of the unique features of this vessel is the rounded and flared bow, the rectangular and porthole windows, which I just absolutely love. Really, this is one of my pet peeves about a lot of the yachts I've taken a look at on this channel, is a cohesive design language for the windows, and on the Nordhaven 148, they just look phenomenal. The Nordhaven 148 is expected to sneak in at just under 500 gross tons. For comparison, the previous largest Nordhaven, the Nordhaven 120, measured around 400 gross tons. All in all, I love the sleek lines, the gray and white two-tone paint, and the overall look of this vessel. I'm confident in saying I feel this is Nordhaven's best looking ship to date. If you disagree, tell me in the comments below and tell me which model is your favorite. One other thing I wanted to mention is how cool the sun deck looks with a large jacuzzi, tons of seating, and 2 exercise bikes. Seems like a really great place to exercise. Now, there are no renders of what the interior design is going to look like, but we do have drawings for all 4 decks to look at and get an idea of the arrangement of everything. The interior volume of the Nordhaven 148 is expected to be about 25% larger than the previous largest vessel, the N120. Looking at the upper deck port, there is a large living room with 2 love seats and a chair. What looks to be a pop-up television is there as well. Starboard is a 4-person dining area and a bar. Further forward is guest quarters, maybe for the captain. There is also a dayhead and stairs down to the main deck. Further forward is where the pilot house is, with what looks to be 2 very comfortable seats, as well as a couch behind with a table for friends, family, or guests. Down on the main deck is what looks to be an impressive living room with a variety of seating arrangements and a dining table that can seat 10 people. Moving forward on the port side is a large galley with at least 2 sinks. Starboard is a hallway that leads to what looks to be the owner's suite with 2 walk-in closets and a full bathtub, as well as a king-size bed, desk, and a couch area. There's also berths for the crew in the bow area with a separate staircase to reach them. Finally, on the lower deck is where exists an embarrassment of berths. For guests, there are 2 VIP rooms and 2 additional rooms with dual bunks, all with their own en-suites. Further forward are more berths for the crew, with a separate living room area and a small galley. I think the partnership between Nordhaven and Vreepak and the creation of the Nordhaven 148 will bring about one of the most exciting new yachts to come out in quite some time, I really can't wait until Nordhaven releases video of the actual construction process, as well as getting a glimpse, our first glimpse at the interior of the finished vessel. What did you think of this sneak peek of the Nordhaven 148? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. But if you loved it, consider subscribing and ringing the bell for more videos just like this one, injected into your YouTube feed. And while you're at it, check out these other videos on our channel because there's always interesting and exciting things to watch here on Neon Cab. I'm Phil. Thanks for watching.